In this video, we will show you how Jason uses the technical competency rubric and guiding questions to document his work experience and how he determines what proficiency levels he has reached. It has been 6 months since Jason's PER start date. According to his next experience report date, he is now ready to document his work experience in PERT. Jason has been tracking his job duties for the past 6 months and reviews the examples he has completed. He uses the information icon in PERT to help him determine which competency area is most applicable, and then which specific sub-competency his task belongs in. Then he uses the guiding questions in the information icon to help him determine which specific sub-competency his tasks belong in and what level of detail to document. Then Jason reflects on whether he has performed at proficiency level 1 or level 2 on a consistent basis over the past 6 months. To determine his proficiency level, Jason refers to the technical competency rubric, which he can find in the PERT resources called CPA PER Appendix A. He can use this to reflect on whether the duties he had completed met all the components of the rubric. Next, he considers the following factors for the duties he completed to determine which level he's at. Did he need a lot of guidance? Were there multiple factors that made the task challenging? Did he prepare an analysis? Did he provide any conclusions and recommendations based on the analysis? How often has he performed this task? And how far along is he in his practical experience journey? Generally, duties with a combination of high autonomy, complexity, and frequency, or circumstance, as it is referred to in PERT, are considered Level 2. This is what we would expect of a newly certified CPA and is often reached towards the end of your practical experience journey. Up next, illustrating the technical competency documentation process with an example.